Hello everyone, this is Dr. Song. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today, I'd like to show you how you can detect extreme scores of outliers. A lot of analysis require no significant outliers as assumptions before conducting analysis. So, outliers can influence the seriously on the result. There are many ways to determine outliers, but if you want to know if there is a serious extreme score, we can use the SPSS to find the extreme scores. So I will show you that technique today. So you can see here data set. They have a lot of scale variables from the satisfaction, burnout, turnover. You can see that in the variable view better about those scale variables. So they are scale variables. And then they are continuous variables, so we can find if they have the outliers. So you can go to the analyze and then descriptive and then descriptive. Okay. And then I already put those variables here, but we can start from the beginning. So you can click this. And then when you maintain your shift key and then the last one, everything can be grasped. So you don't have to do each one. You can just take all of them at the same time with the button satisfaction. You click and then you keep the shift key. And then the last variable, when you click, that will enter everything in the same time. Okay, so now let's just start from the very beginning. Let's say that we want to know about the satisfaction, burnout, turnover only. So you click this and then you maintain the pushing the shift key and then you click the last variable and then you don't have to take the one by one. You can take all of them together. So you can put this here and then you have this checked save standardized values as variables. So this is like a magic key. You can find the outliers by this way. And then you click the OK. And then in the output, they show just the normal descriptive statistics. So they show the how many participants and the minimum and the maximum the range you can find, and also the mean score, and then each scale variables standard deviation. So that is not showing the where we can find the outliers click. So you can go to the not in the output, and you will go to the data set, and you can see here data view. They create the jet scores of the each scale variables. So satisfaction, jet score of the each scale variable. So that means that if this result you obtain those results, that is greater than the 3 standard deviation away from the mean, and then you can say that that is an extreme score as an outlier, and then you have to think about how you can deal with these outliers. So what that means, so there are standard deviations is 1 and SD1, SD2, SD3. So SD3 means that is 99% of that histogram, the distribution of your data. So if that score of this scale variable is greater than the plus minus 3, that means that that is over than the 90% of your data set. So that is the extreme score. So if you can check everything by that way, if there is a more than plus minus 3, but this is a bit taking time, and also if there are a lot of participants, it will be very confusing. So what you can do, you can click one variable, and then right click. You can say the sort ascending, okay, and then you will find here what is the greatest number will be in the first cell. So you will see the minus 3. So this is the outlier because that is the greater than plus minus 3. So this is jet satisfaction. The jet score shows that only one point, that is one participant has the extreme score. So you have to think about how you can deal with this. Now let's see with the burnout. Again, right click and then you say sort ascending. Everything will be sorted by the greater number first. So this is the minus 2.15. This is the outlier, but that is not greater than plus minus 3. So that is fine. We cannot say that that is outlier, but not extreme. And this one, again, right click, and then the short ascending. And then this one, again, that has the one outlier, extreme outlier, plus minus 3. So greater than that, you can consider that. So as a result, satisfaction and the turnover, they have the one extreme outliers per each. So this is the way how you can detect the extreme outliers by using the SPSS. So what is recommended for remedy when you find the outliers? You can use wingerization. So which means that instead of removing your outlier like this one, instead of removing it, you can replace the score that is most close to the value of your outlier. So for instance, this is a minus 3.644. Instead of that number, you can put this one that is most close, the greater number, minus 2.56. So instead of removing this as a 0, you can put this one as instead of that one. So this is the wingerization. So this is the what I wanted to show to you today, how you can find the extreme scores of the outliers of the scale variables. I hope this can help you to detect the outliers. Thank you.